Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to disconnect Google Photos. Firstly, open Google Photos, then click at your profile icon at the right top and go to the backup. This one is second line, and disable backup. Now go back. Also click at the profile icon here, then go to the Google Photos settings. Maybe you need to scroll down, enter here, then click at the sharing, manage sharing activity, and right here we have shared links. You can remove them. If you don't need it, click at the trash icon and then click delete. Then check shared memories and also conversation. And you can also leave the conversation. Just tap at the conversation, then at the three dots at the right top, options, and near to you you will have leave button. Tap at this button and click leave. You can also remove all photos from Google Photos. It's up to you. It's easiest to do on PC, but you can, if you want to do this on the phone, click at the three dots at the right top, and then set layout to months. And now you can select all your photos and then move it to the trash. It will delete automatically from the trash these photos, but if you want to delete immediately, just go to collections, then trash. Right here click at the three dots, select and delete all. After that we can disconnect this application. So if you have iOS, you can just remove this application, just press and hold at your application and then click remove app and delete application. Okay, if you have Android, you need to go to the settings, then click at the apps, and right here you need to find your Google Photos. So click see all, or maybe you have it here, click on it here, or click see all. Then we can use a search. You can also scroll down right here and you can find Google Photos, or you can use a search and you can write photos here. Then click at the photos. I recommend it to firstly go to the storage and cache, then clean the cache and clear the storage. After that, click force stop and disable application, because on most Android phones you cannot delete Google Photos, only disable it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.